When it comes to speed, accuracy, and agility in manufacturing, one class of robot stands out: the parallel or spider robot. These sleek machines are redefining possibilities in high-throughput industries, from packaging chocolates to assembling medical devices. In this video, we'll explore how parallel spider robots work, why they excel at precision tasks, and what production engineers need to know for successful integration without sacrificing safety or quality. Unlike articulated robots that move with joints, parallel robots use multiple arms working together to position their tool. With motors fixed to a base, only lightweight linkages move, resulting in low inertia and rapid, precise adjustments. This low moving mass isn't just about speed, it's about accuracy. With minimized latency and tightly calibrated tracking, these robots can pick moving items with pinpoint precision, making them perfect for industries where fractions of a second matter. High performance demands high standards of care. While reduced mass means less wear, linkages must remain free of play. Routine checks include bearing inspections, lubrication, and calibration, especially in hygiene-sensitive environments. Integrating a parallel robot isn't always plug-and-play. Many come with proprietary controllers that may not integrate with existing systems. Engineers must enable real-time reporting and predictive maintenance analytics for optimal performance. Despite their size, high-speed motion can pose dangers. Safety measures include protective housings, light curtains, and workflows that keep humans clear during operation, ensuring productivity gains without compromising safety. When applied correctly, parallel spider robots can transform production efficiency. Their low inertia and precise kinematics make them ideal for high-throughput applications. The key? Full integration into the production ecosystem. Parallel spider robots are redefining precision manufacturing. As industries demand greater speed and flexibility, their role is only going to grow.